Okay, by special request, someone kind of asked me what's really happening, what's going on with the Hawkesworth Bridge, and the other day someone else asked about the Lone Line Bridge. So the Lone Line Bridge is back and up and running. Norman Brasta Stadium. This is the market area. So drive with due care. There's a couple of major potholes that are prepped for repair. So there's a huge pothole that is scheduled and ready to receive some concrete. This is by the bazaar, better known as the market. I guess they're gonna repair the drainage system back there. Cool. So if you're visiting Belize, I would say don't come back here after hours by yourself. Come in a groups of 2 or 3 or more, preferably 3 or more. So this is by special request. Someone contacted me via comment and was asking if the Hawkesworth Bridge will be reopened or what time it's scheduled to be reopened or what time the work is scheduled to be completed. Well, it's a chat with the lead job site project manager, and he stated that it should be reopened on the possibly the 8th, which is this upcoming Friday, 2024 November. And he said if they don't hit the deadline, then it should be anywhere between the 8th to about the 15th of 2024 during the month of November as well. The Tita's Sports Bar and Grill. If you come through the area, stop by and check them out. They're right there They sell the shell tacos here in Belize that you can get in Mexico. I mean Mexico now. In Guatemala. Cancel that. From Guatemala. The shell tacos from Guatemala. They also, I think, do have game nights that they're working on for Wednesday night. Guess I have Mexico on the brain. During the day, this is a paid parking lot. I don't know how it works during the night time. That's like if you're staying at the hotels on the street over there, you can maybe possibly find out if you can park back here. We work for comments, so feel free to comment. If you're watching, sometimes you can comment and say where you're watching from. I've never been back here at this hour. If you're planning to come through here at this hour, I highly recommend that you put on bug spray. Getting eaten by mosquitoes. It's cute. Pretty cool how they swap out the wooden rails and put in metal channel. And for the last gentleman that stated he was kind of hoping, a little sad that they're not spraying it to the old color. This is a new one. The paint don't make the bridge makes the paint. The history of it is the bridge. The joyful memories that gave to you. Don't walk on that side, I think they painted. Shut the gate. There's no security, so be respectful and don't damage or destroy. The guys did a great job, so it's up to us to preserve and protect her. You guys can.